Sakso sakantikon yak dalba video na dalwan in class 12 physics chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance ligament kirani ko tapang kugen dalan abeng ba topic ara graphs of electric field versus x and potential difference versus x. Suppose yara capacitor mo capacitor isa ida plus charge ida minus charge aru yara dielectric slab aru ida diara thickness of dielectric mo ya dielectric ni thickness ya khera dielectric constant mo jadi ini applied electric field de maichum e not ara applied electric field aru ya dielectric ni ngaude electric field mai ongen electric field de e not by k times ongen mo k times decrease ongen dauden sing ino electric field versus distance aru potential versus distance konching plot ka ongen suppose dauden mai genna ya den salo ya electric field ya dielectric slab ko napangin chimo de electric field de komigen mo reduce ongno suppose original electric field yachmo oriara original electric field ba external applied electric field ani ba jen samaya ya dielectric slab mo ya slab ni thickness tara ya mo iko cross khagen non mai ganna unon electric field reduce ongno mo yana no ngija suppose ene no aha mo ene no aha ya mo ya d distance ona ya mo ya d distance ona reduce aha electric field yara e not k times reduce aha mo yara reduce electric field again aru tadi potential continuous kana suppose yano dielectric slab dongjangin chimo de potential mai ngachim potential ra aneke ngachim mo v equals to mai ngachim minus by e not d yung inchim di ba tawag ino dielectric slab tong shell meron na potential ara e not d by k times jen somay ino k 동작 mo e not k 동작 등 somayo e not d jen somayo k 동화 mo dielectric 동화 e not d by k times Hindi no yan ora bali talabata iya talabata digtaman gendo mo yara k times reduce on giman ya de inawali thumata mo mai kawan gen v is less than v not tawdi mai genna ya free space ore electric field tharaken reduce on gen ma tharaken komi gen maina ye bele talani giman ina negative tonga jokona negative tonga esel tharaken electric potential de decrease on gen eni ba jen somayo ya dielectric slab konting donata ha unode minus e not d by k times reduce on shell mai genda electric ya potential difference ni potential ni decrease on ira komi batmok mo ya value ra ina batte komi batta we given ya chigmok value ra ya negative sign on shell mai genda ya decrease on ira ina batte komis kanok tadi mai again suppose ira original electric field tadi mai genda ya negative decrease ongen suppose ya mo ya aha ira distance mo ya flat distance aha yang aha tadi mai ira v not v not by k times decrease aha mo ya negative decrease aha electric field I mean ya electric potential ra dan sing nang skane ganik pako inura air partially filled dielectric capacitor yanura yara dielectric slab dielectric constant ya dielectric ni ngora ya electric field e not by k times decrease onga yara e not ara applied electric field ya free space ni by distance sabeta d aru d mo suppose ya distance ya equal to x0 against mode mai against equal x something ya plate something x0 against mode ya plate up again ya plate ara x equals to d plus d betongin 2d ongen tadon sinang na electric field aro distance ni graph ko ya d distance ira 2d means ya position mo ya plate kisani position tadi mai gena tadi ya free space ong matingode suppose ya ira electric field mo ira free space electric field beta e not suppose ya ini line ira aro ira ini line tadi suppose era e not inot ara ya main gen ya distance diora suppose ya mo yara inot applied electric field tadi jen somai ya dielectric slab ko ira electric field ara cross kagen mo no main gen electric field ara inot by k times decrease ongen mo decrease ongen inode inong jo homo suppose inong ha inoni ong ha yara mai ong ha E naught by k times electric field decrease ong ha yara ong jok electric field A naught by k times decrease ong ha jen sumayo dielectric slab ko electric field cross ka tadi yara ong jok electric field versus x ni graph dawan sini kana electric potential versus x ni graph ko tadi main kan ira electric potential mo ino by tongen inore electric potential ara inore ya reason no ya free space to electric field by tongen electric potential ara V equals to E naught d ongen mo E naught d ongen E equals to E naught d ongen ya reason no by tongen ya reason ara E naught d yara maya potential mo suppose initial potential yachim inone decrease ong ha suppose ya mo ya non decrease ong ha maya decrease ong ha suppose ira applied electric field mo applied ira potential V naught mo V naught ina decrease ong ha betong genira ina baitas minora ya times decrease ong ha mo E naught E times decrease ong ha tadi betong genira V naught minus E naught D yanura electric field decrease ong ha mo tadi man again then sumaya ya dielectric slab on soken mo dielectric slab ni reason ode main na ya E naught na batte yara E naught by kira sonbata ni giman main gen electric field E naught drop on ira by electric potential in drop on ira ina batte komigen mo tihon angin smode E naught D is greater than E naught D by K mo K tadi ya dapat mo ya reason ode ya potential drop on ita dapat ya reason ode potential drop on ni komi bata ni geman inode panggiza ino slope on tisha komigen mo ya yang aha mo yang aha yara V naught minus E naught D minus present E naught D by K ya no electric field I mean ya electric potential ndak yang aha V naught minus E naught D by E naught D minus E naught D by K yang aha mo ya reason no ya reason na batte de ya no electric potential drop ani onti komi batken ya rong jok distance ya no D ya 0 you know D ari reason no I mean ya last plate to by tawasung 2D mo 2D ongen distance tawasung nes kana ya partially filled kigani dielectric mo kigani dielectric capacitor ya free space dielectric constant K1 K2 ya dielectric ora electric field E naught by K1 inora E naught by K2 hanchingeno consider kainga inora K2 ya dielectric slab ara ya dielectric constant K2 ra ya ina batte banna batte dalbatta mo dalbatta ni de mai genna dalbatta ni giman mai gen ya reason electric field amo ya reason electric field ara suppose ya reason electric field ara mai chim E naught by K2 mo K2 ya reason electric field ara E naught by K2 aru ya reason ba dachum E naught by K1 and dinner badi dalbatken K2 dalbatta K1 na batte and ira inversely proportional ani giman option ira E naught by 1 by dalbatta something ba constant ba dalbatta ira constant ba chanbatta ya dalbat ya kamachi ba denominator dalbatta ni giman ya mai genna ultang skanok yara sunbat skanok E naught by K2 de E naught by K1 na batte sunbat skanok mai ni giman K2 ino dalbatta ni giman K1 na batte dalbatta ni giman ongen suppose ya noni distance D mo D ya noni distance beta D beta ongen 2D ongnok D plus D plus D 3D plus D 4D plus D beta ongnok 5D ongnok 앞선다kan innova D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D mo, 5 정도. Đó chính nhang na. Đó đi reason electric field ra mayonga E not mo E not. Ya reason no 0 R D ni gisa po reason no electric field ra E not mo E not nga. E not ra maya electric field constant nga mo constant electric field by uniform electric field iong gen. Yera E not. Đó đi 0 yera 0. Suppose yera x equal to 0. Yera x equals to beta x equals to 5t mo yera 5t ni position yera 0x0 같은. 그다음에 again 2D 야 D 아로 2D 니 기세포 D 아로 2D 니 기세포라 야 dielectric 동화 아로 K 동화 any electric field라 reduce 동화 하모 E not by K1 동화 하 negative 얘를 거미 받겐 suppose 이놈 이놈 거미 받겐 얘라 하 E not by K1 again 뭐 E not by K1 again E not by K1 동화 하 어디? 야 말했으면 2D 아로 3D 야 2D 아로 3D는 기사포 이안으로 많이 동안 free space 동안 뭐 이노르 electric field에 E not 따라 uniform electric field 이 앞선에겐 농타긴 얘를 E not 뭐 E not 동안 하 앞선에겐 다오 이노 3D 아로 4D 야 3D 아로 4D는 기사포 많이 동안 기사 슬랩 동안 뭐 K2 dielectric constant K2 동안 이니는 거 electric field에 E not by K2 tadi ini kita teman namo E not by K2 ya de E not by K1 abate chun bata unigiman inograpo main gina ya yan ngodi electric field de komi batken mo paitonggen anti ya komi batken mo hapos ya mo ya ira E not by K2 yara E not by K1 abate chun bata unigiman anti sa down ongen grapo ta olas kepa 4D or 5T ya 4D or 5T ni gisapo gisa free space tongamo inora electric field paitonggen inot ongen inot endide ino option electric field uniform again mo ya E not. तो देखो हाँ ये रहा electric field versus distance ni graph. तो आंसिंग यहाँ इसका एक आंसिंग देखे dot line से आने के लिए dotted line देखे यह है dotted line mo. तो आंसिंग यहाँ इसका potential versus x ni graph को. ये रहा potential versus x ni graph again mo potential versus x ni graph. ये 4D ये 5D तो ada yang na ya nura ya sekarang berisino electric field baitonggen inura inot dionggen mo inot dionggen inot negative tonggen ni ba inot shat ha mungkin electric field ya flat oni ya distance ya 0 oni ya diona electric field I mean electric potential around sisa decrease ongen mo decrease ongen mai dake decrease ongen ya d times linear times ongen decrease ongen mo suppose original electric field yes mo yachim yera v not original electric field ya noni on sisa decrease ongen jin somayom ya dielectric slab on sisa initial position on chelangen unna mai gena electric potential around sisa decrease ongen electric potential decreases in the direction of electric field na mo suppose inong aha mai nanong aha ya mo ya electric potential decrease ong ha on tisa electric potential on decrease ong ha da dian sing sok ha ya dio na mo ya dio na sok ha da dia ya macam yara K2 dielectric constant K2 mo K2 ni ngo electric potential mai ngen ini ngo electric potential mai ngen na apa itong gen nura E not apa itong gen E not E not pada sini E not D by K1 ongen mo E not D by K1 ongen jadi ya K1 si divide ka mo K1 si divide ka ni gimen ya ni value on tisha chongen chonani gimen ya free space to electric potential decrease on batte ya no on tisha komi khalgen mo komi khalgen and di mai ongen ya on tisha ino graph ya slope on tisha down ongen mo on tisha ongen suppose ya mo ya yang ha ya the straight line mo ya reason ra mai chang ya reason ra v naught minus e naught d mo ya ne ka decrease ong ha ta de ke reason sok ba ha ya reason mo ya sok ba ha no ino mai tong electric potential ra ya ni kon ti sa minus ka da mo ya no nan electric field in the ke decrease ong achim da de ya no de ya point no de be ya slap ni h to de pa dong no ya ye ko minus ka na no mo pa tong gen v naught minus e naught d minus naught t by k1 tadi ya no de electric field ne ke decrease ong ha ya no de electric field ya plate to de by ya slap ni h to de electric field ne ke electric potential ne ke decrease ong ha to de d aro 3d mo ya 2d aro 3d ya 2d aro 3d yani gi sepo mai chim ini gi sepora ya free space oni gi man ino thela ke decrease ong achim electric potential option ke ne decrease ong gen lagi decrease ong gen mo ya ong gen yang gen mo ini value betong gen ini value ra v naught minus e naught t minus e naught t by k1 minus e naught t yang gen mo ya no pedong electric field ne ke decrease ong ha mo ne ke decrease ong ha initial value ya chim uni ne ke decrease ong ha decrease ong ka ya to de 3d aro 4d mo ya 3d aro 4d ni gi sepo age isa dielectric tonga mo inora mai gen inora tisa electric field decrease ong gen mo electric potential decrease ong gen andi ba inora ya even e naught by k2 ra ya e naught by k1 na bate chon matan digeman ino electric field decrease ong ani on tisa kami batken mo tisa kami batken je hon ani semunde yani ya slap ni ngo electric potential decrease ong ha una bate ino decrease ong ani kami batken je hon ani semunde ya slope na bate ini slope on tisa straight line ko follow kagen mo ne kam gen ya ujok ya mo ya yang ha ini decrease ong open value ra paitong gen v naught minus e naught pada 2 e naught d minus e naught k by e naught t by k1 tadi last ke para free space wani geman ino je ke ino electric field pere ka sama thla ken ba pere ka gen ya line ko follow hagen ya straight line ni ko follow hagen yang gen ya bai tong gen ya point ni value ra v naught minus e naught t mo ge tham ka de 3 e naught t 3 e naught d minus e naught ke sa dong gen mai no ke sa dong ani kan ino minus e naught k e naught t by k2 dong gen ino decrease ong ba ni electric potential decrease ong ba ni value yang gen minus ke dong gen e naught t by k1 minus e naught t by k2 tadi ya partially filled dielectric ko yara electric potential versus x ni graph electric potential mai ke decrease ong jing nak taman gen yara ong jok electric field versus distance ni graph ya slab ni ya dielectric slab ni electric field anti drop ongen aru ya slab ni go bonti sa electric field indake drop ongen dana aba ko topic ma chotai ha changban nan ching combination of dielectric capacitors ko nyang ska gen lakon mithela